Rubanda district leaders have launched the construction of Hakataguriro bridge in Bufundi sub-county that connects Rubanda district to Kabale and a 13.5-kilometer road connecting villages of Chitahulira, Ndego, Ihunga and Shanjale in Rubanda West constituency.
Manyara optioni owulire option yo kugira ngo tuzakora handa kwa district nimpango mulire.
An amount of 44 million was secured for the construction of Hakataguriro community bridge that links Kashasha Town Council in Rubanda district to Butanda sub-county in Kabale district. Some of the residents say that the locally built bridge has been hindering business performances in the area, as well as pregnant mothers have been struggling to close.
Tumanyirire omuntu kwija akatugambira omuhendo gwa sente eziriho zirenda kutukorera rero ha ground akakoraho busho eco kureberaho akagudo ko kuruga hari ahishomera hakuza mutoma kakaba kariho $4.5 hati yati harara mune kigorofani akagudo warugudo gwa kuruga Shanjale okazakanya migogo urukaba ruriho $33 tuhora bamune kigali cyekiti
obwo bwiro bw'ebi bidongo jyaija Honorable Prossy akabari Chairman w'akakiko k'Empuuta ndamusima n'abali bonyongera sima Chairman kuyashire mu ntebe na Honorable Kamuntu the team yona twaguma turagira yaraguma rangira ati Councilor ecyasigara no kukora entungu ngeno Honorable Chairman n'abali ho barankize nyota orutinderizo batwagwakira mwaza kurukora kandi twashemererwa munonga.
The LC5 chairperson Rubanda District Stephen Kasaba said that the construction is expected to last for 3 weeks if not interrupted by weather changes, and also adds that the bridge is going to have an economic effect to the people of Rubanda District, especially the farmers.
We are putting 44 million as the BOQs indicate, but for the start, because of the shortfalls and releases under Uganda Load Fund, we are putting 20 million. So that the other 24 million, when it comes, it finds us on the way. This bridge is very, very important for the people of Bufundi Town Council, Kashasha, across Kabale district through Butanda. I believe when this road is properly, when this bridge is properly met, it will transform our people here. The trade, the linkage to markets will be easy. People will be able to go to trade in Kashasha that connects to Rwanda, those of Butanda connecting through Kabale. So I believe by this bridge we are supposed to be having some economic transformation and the impact in this particular area.
The Rubanda West constituency member of parliament, who is also the chairperson of Rubanda District Roads Committee, Hon Moses Kamuntu, pledged to give out an excavator for free to assist on road construction. Kamuntu also appreciated the commitment of the district and promised to follow up the remaining balance of 24 million to complete the construction of Hakataguriro bridge.
Fund esente zini milioni 2.29 nazo bazirete ruherechi kandi atokana nakona kugira ngo rumare myaka kana izo zaza kuja ruherechi kandi abaganda ati ndibahemukaho umurarango naye kokugwire narundo busente bwo kugura amasha mutukoro rugutugwa gwaseyeza bareza ibintu no kugiye guramo so ogoro kutona ngo twaza kugarukayo mu mwaka gurije urube ruriho abatakaje ndabashaba itaka mwikiriza abantu barajyame nguto twaje kuko cyangwa ngitakajya mu compensating yo compensating atibiriho so itwe turakta yija mukutanda kuyomba no kugaruka ahubwo nguto gukora nihi so twayija mutwikirize tushange mupimire nguto yeragiraci.
The district woman MP Honorable Prossy Begumisa said that once the construction of this bridge and road is done, it will ease on transport costs to the vendors and the entire community, urging them to consider planting trees by the road and bridge side to reduce on damages caused by erosion.
Abantu banje ndaza kubaberera ndenda kubahamisiriza mutagira kutina kona turi hamwe nimwe oru ruguto na miliyoni 5 zibatwire tiziramara konka twagiye ngo nazo tuzirete zikoreki zigira kizakora mwana ngamurenda tuzigaruzayo.
Nobatingamachi for Kigezi Television.